for me?
Leacroft Lettman.
Leacroft Lettman, very valuable point here. Assess how important a point is to pick up against this Arbor team.
Well, for the team goal have been scored against a team. We try to work on the shutout from training and getting the lads how to cover the zone and moving the ball quickly into transition after winning that ball.
And you want to get some consistency now. Tell us about that.
Yes, consistency comes from confidence, and once they have the confidence and belief, then the sky is the limit.
How encouraging is this performance and result?
Well, as you can see it on the players' face, they feel much more comfortable, and once it don't really matter if you're a 15-year-old, you can play. Once you get the right training and the right concept, carry it out, then you execute.
So definitely you believe this is something to build from then going forward?
Yes,